Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a beauty on the budget video, and this hair is from my very own hair company. IAmErickaJ, HAIRBYERICKAJ.com, and this is a 14-inch natural curly lace front bob. This is 180% in density. It does not come bleached, but I'm going to show you guys how to do all of the steps to achieve this at home. Like I said, this is a beauty on the budget video, so I'm going to show you how to do everything yourself. I'm going to mix your bleach and make it with the consistency like icing. You don't want it to be too runny because it's going to get on the roots of your hair, and you don't want that. You can get this, I don't even know what it's called, but I call it a spatula. You can get this out of your baking section in Walmart, Target, anywhere that sells cooking supplies. You can get it out of there. I like to use blue bleach because it doesn't give it a brassy tone. You can skip the toning process when you use the blue bleach. And what we're going to be doing now is co-washing this wig. Like I said, I bleached the knots. I showed you guys how to bleach the knots, and you're just going to go ahead and rinse the bleach off. But what I'm going to be showing you guys now is how to co-wash. This is what I like to use. You can use anything that is sulfate-free and moisture-rich. Then you're going to get a detangling wet brush and just comb the hair out. Well, brush the hair out. I like to detangle and co-wash all of my hair prior to installation, especially with curly hair, because it's going to give you its true length. And it's also going to make the curls look refreshing and popping. Make sure you're using cold water. I know there are so many of you who want to purchase from me, but sometimes what I show on my channel is not in your price range. So I'm strictly doing this for those who want to support my brand and want to buy from me because they may not trust other hair companies. But I'm here to tell you that this wig is of high quality, and you're going to get your money's worth. You're going to get a bang for your buck. This is honestly dedicated to all of my subscribers because, like I said, you want to be fly, but you don't want to have to spend $400 just to be cute. And you're just going to get maybe a paper towel, a rag, a towel, anything that's flat, and you're going to pluck it to your liking. The lace comes in a light brown, but I'm more of a medium brown. So what I'm doing right now is just spraying the Tailored Crowns lace tint on my wig and then blow drying it to get the lace my color. And right now I'm just molding down my edges. Like I said, it's a myth when people say, oh, wearing glue takes your edges out. That's a lie. Make sure you clean your skin off of any oils or any dirt, because if not, the lace will not stick. You also want to make sure that your lace is completely dry. We co-washed this wig prior, a few minutes ago. So you want to make sure the lace is dry because it will not stick as well. Then you're just going to you can do 3 layers, but I'm only going to do 2 layers because I don't plan to keep this wig on very long. But for a long wear, you can use 3 to 5 layers, 3 to 5 thin layers, and just lay the lace down into the glue like you see me doing. Once it turns clear, it's okay for you to move on to the next step. I'm not going to lie to you, it's honestly kind of complicated to do your own hair, but it's very much so possible. Just take your time and follow all of my steps, and you'll be good. These is too thick, too much baby hair. I want to take my tweezers and thin these bad boys on out. This is what the hair looks like dry, and this is what the hair looks like moisturized, conditioned, and ready to wear. Now I'm just going to take my angled brush and define my part a little bit more. I really love curly hair, and this wig is so thick, 180% density, especially for a bob. That's a lot of hair. You guys are gonna love this wig. I love this wig. I love this curl pattern. Anybody who's been on my channel for a while now, you know how I feel about curly hair. I really love this, and it's easy to install. It's not hard to do. As long as you follow all of my steps, like I said, you're gonna be good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The purchase info will be in the description box and along with the discount codes. And I'll see you guys next time.